Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED. So friend, the Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED features a dazzling 4K OLED main display and the ASUS ScreenPad Plus, and friend, it is available for retails. And friend, ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED combines the powerful Intel Core i9-12900H processor with 14 cores and 20 threads with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU and 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory for maximum performance and unbeatable graphics quality, real-time ray tracing in games and graphics application. And friend, the device is equipped with a 1 TB PCIe SSD and thus offers a large and fast internal memory for numerous creative projectors and large game collection. And friend, the Ergo Lift hinge, the lifting of a secondary display and optimized cooling system enable long-lasting performance for comfortable and smooth work even with demanding tasks. And friend, the battery life of up to 8 hours, and friend, user can work on their projects or enjoy best entertainment on the go despite a strong performance and too high resolution display. And friend, for connecting to peripherals, the Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED has a wide variety of ports including two Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports that support fast data transfer as well as power delivery, DisplayPort as well as HDMI 2.1 port and audio combo. And if I talk about the pricing, it is now available in Germany from 2199 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.